Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen Crowns Vision. Date 30th April 2021. And the topics are Like a Fish Hook and Mischievous Child. May I now welcome Mrs. Maragadam to recite today's poetry. Welcome, ma'am.
Like a Fish Hook by Mrs. G. Sarala. A long trip with parents and sisters in our car. Stopped at Sri Perumbadur near Mrs. Indira Gandhi statue at a small lake for fishing. Used a towel instead of fishing rod. Enjoyed a long time. But alas, I screamed. A long water snake between my legs jumped out of lake. Felt as a fish out of water. Later, the next day, on hearing the assassination of Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, a suicide bombing, we felt as snagged by fish hook. As it was the place we played, goosebumps arise if we recollect that incident. Like a Fish Hook by Mrs. Princeline Joan. Perilous hooks are everywhere. Ferocious hooks are close together. Emotional bonds put us in snares. Fear of trust pricks us with sharp points. Commitment in love is a baited hook, shakes our heart and breaks our mood. Untold fables are like fish hooks, ever stay in the flesh till last sleep. Hooks are for the meek souls, yet to find ways to escape from their claws. Sabina Salam. Poetry, a bait. Creative writers like a fish hook, lifted and uplifted. Published words win many spots. Unpublished poems struggle in poets' hearts. At home, with admiration looked upon. Among friends, bonded again, those forgone. Let poems overflow. May the creative writers' tribe overgrow. Like a fish hook by Mrs. Deepa. Insects in fish hook attracts as love in human tongue distracts. Mrs. P.R. Kalyani. Hooks, don't swim there. Mother fish won. No ma warm. Child fish jumped. Mother gave a soft shot with its fin and they swam away. After a round came back there. Now the worm moves. No hook found. Mother fish quickly jumped and ate the worm. Pain it felt in the jaw. Slowly the stick moved up. Little fish searching its mother. The man on the shore laughed. The fish hooks are hanging to swallow one's life. Worms are the fascinating words often thrown. Beware of bait. Like a Fish Hook by Mrs. Nirmala Nagarajan. Passion makes us toil more, trying hard till we reach the core. Sometimes we open up without being forced. Love for the task makes us to do the deed. But at times, when we lack interest, need some bait to kindle our thirst, likely to pull us like a fishing hook, making us indulge by hook or crook. A certificate will do to make me give my best. Love and craze for it has never declined it. Nothing hinders but just prompts me ahead. May sound childish, but that's my real reward. The topic is Mischievous Child by Mrs. J. Errol. Betty, what have you done? Is dinner the place for fun? That's fruit jam, not coloring paint. The mess you make lets me faint. Mama, Betty tore my practice book. What if my teacher's irritated on its look? Wailed the vexed brother in dismay, unable still to find a way. Arrived the papa to her rescue and poured all outrage in a queue. Slowly opened his blue file. Alas, all ink blotches and no word, looking so wild. A day after packing and sending her to a school of boarding, the bitter feeling bro couldn't bear the feel of missing. Papa staring nowhere wouldn't do a thing. Miserable mom went and brought her home smiling. Mischievous Child by Mrs. D. Brinda Srinivas. It's so confidential, never shared. Now, if I share, who is to be cared? A lot of excuses for the single walkout. Bore all insults, still didn't let the secret out. All it happened during a 10-day NSS camp. First night, we couldn't have a wink of sleep. Around 5 girls escaped from room like butterflies in town to Zoom. Went to the famous temple to pray, but the door was locked. Came to know it was 2 a.m., hence be packed. On the way, had some biscuits and tea, though that none could see. Gently entered into the room and slept as if nothing happened. Villagers came peeping and complained. Are in NSS master and mistress enquired to the level best. Till the end, never shared the secret. For the first time, I shared the secret. Please don't tell anyone. Strictly confidential. By Mrs. U. Maragadam. Oh baby, nay, what have you done? Rolling around yourself in the pile of fabrics, organized strenuously in the back. Come out, baby, come with me. I'll take you to the kitchen. Oh no, don't shuffle the utensils. Then I have to carry out a lot. Come, my boy, let's have some pleasure in the garden and cheer. Oh, stop, don't pluck the flowers. Your tender hands will get hurt. Oh, come on, my little one. I'm totally wearied, running along with you the whole day. Withal, I enjoy every naughty doings of you, my mischievous boy. Mischievous Child by Mrs. P. Alice. My kids in my class, since KG to 12th class, ever seemed to be enthusiastic. Mischievous Child stood majestic. My daughters so smart, mischievous nephews, stubborn, sophisticated kids mischief, encouraged all situations. Mischievous child makes all laugh, hurts some unknowingly but laughs. Family enjoy kids mischief. Society curses such mischief. Like a fish hook by Mrs. P. Alice. Like a fish hook, liquor attracts, tempts even peoples as jackpots. Are innocent people caught at task mark like a fish hook? Drugs make guys feel fish hook, even at on online purchases. Youth lost self-control spaces. Hidden attraction caught hold of all. Gambling, cinema, online sales, selfish relationships, honey sayings, greedy, tricky, jealous moves, almost like a fish hook attracts.
Thank you, dear Maragadamam. You have recited in a wonderful manner with enthusiasm. I appreciate your spirit to do it. Thank you, dear creative writers, for your awesome penning. Keep writing, keep growing. Thank you.